Hi kids! Today we're gonna learn about the king of the land. Do you know about the king of the land? Right, it's a lion. Have you guys seen a lion? Where is it? Ta-da! Those are two lions. Do you guys know how to spell lions? Let's do it together. L-I-O-N. Lion. Can you guys do it one more time? L-I-O-N. Lions. Yeah, you guys are smart. Those are two lions. The one is the female one and the one is the male one. The male one has a hair around his face and the female one has no hair around her face. And do you know what lions eat? Right, the lion eat meat, any kind of meat. And the lion sounds so loud and so scary. The sound is roar. Can I hear you guys? Roar. Right. Their sound is so scary, right? Do you guys know how many legs lions have? 4? Are you sure? Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right, the lion has 4 legs. That's all about the lion. You guys are very, very smart. Thank you so much for watching. See you on another opportunities. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.